Rossally at it again. Yeah man. I know a thing already, I know how we do it. At it again. You see me? Check it out. Bushing. Just like a year ago. You know what thing said. Yeah, at it again. Yeah man. Melissa passed through. We soon no left no remnants of Melissa around here. Clean up. You know? So at it again. No joke thing. Serious matter. Yeah man, see machine there. Echo 4300. About to work. Machine the whole. Real good machine. See it there. What am I talking about? What do they know about farming? What do they know about bushing? What do they know about persistence? At it again. Rossally grows 3.0.